Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are across the world. I hope you've had a wonderful day. I hope you've enjoyed the weekend. And I hope that you're finding peace within yourself at this time. As usual, please open sacred space. Make yourselves comfortable. Maybe you want to put your favourite candle on or some incense. Maybe you've got a log burner and you can smell the beautiful wood and the beautiful flames. Maybe you've had a very hectic day and you're just ready to breathe in some peace and quiet. So whatever your day has been, or maybe your day is just started, I bid you peace. And just for a moment, just allow that word peace to run through your body. Just be aware of where it settles. Maybe it's in your throat or your heart or maybe somewhere else. I wonder how many of us have truly experienced peace. I wonder how many of our ancestors truly experienced and appreciated peace. So many of us talk about peace in our lives, peace of mind, peace in our hearts, in our souls. We talk about the unity of the world and world peace. And yet the truth is that many of us have some family disruption or upset or unease in some way, shape or form. When we read books like Zero Limits by Dr. Hugh Len and Dr. Joe Vitale, it explains that everything is our personal responsibility. So only when we find peace within ourselves can we exude the peace to other people. So let's just be with that word peace for a few minutes now. Think about the peace within your mind, your body, your soul. How do we achieve peace within ourselves? Can we really appreciate peace? So many people enjoy the drama karma of life. So many people seek to find things to gossip about and bitch about. So how do we educate ourselves to find peace? Where do you find peace? Maybe sitting by the ocean or sitting under a favourite tree. I'm just currently sat in the lounge with the beautiful houseplants, fairy lights around the fireplace, a beautiful picture of a heart, and the peaceful ticking of a clock. For me, it's taken a long time to find my inner peace. The turbulence of divorce, raising 4 children, A daughter who has taught me many things, and in many ways, she's challenged me. She's been one of my greatest teachers. Have I experienced peace? Yes. I am delighted to say that I have, and I do experience peace. Do I experience it every day? If I'm honest, sometimes no. But I do experience it most days. And those days when we seem to have very little peace make us appreciate the peace even more. So, what is the answer to finding our own peace? Is it love? Is it acceptance? Is it wisdom? Is it appreciation? Is it all of those things? So I'm going to leave you with those thoughts and those reflections while you take a sacred pause today to think about peace within ourselves, to think of the world leaders finding peace within themselves. The President of New Zealand is a real inspiration to me personally. I appreciate you may not find that she's an inspiration to you. We all have our own ideals and our own ideas and our own thoughts. That's how it should be. But imagine a world where the world leaders could make decisions from a place of peace, loving kindness, grace, wisdom, integrity, justice, connection, respect. And the respect would be for all men, all women, all children, of all races, of all ages. And just as the Native American Indians used to trust and respect the elders in the community, perhaps we would all find peace if there was more connection to our elders. Some people say that in each and every day we need to be the woman or the man we are today. We need to be the inner child. We need to be childlike rather than childish. And at the same time, we need to tune in to the wise sage or the wise crone within us. And if each of us could tune in to all three aspects, the inner child, the adult we are today, the wise old crone, I wonder what a different world it would be. So, as time ticks by, let's go into our centre, be that in your heart, your womb space, man or woman, be that within your breath, be that within your soul. But let's find our inner sanctum. It may be in your spine where you feel that you're at your centre. And just breathe that energy in. And I wonder if you can find peace in a rainstorm. I wonder if you can find peace listening to the rain. Can you find peace looking up at a rainbow? All things will surely pass, just as this rain and this storm will pass. Just as thundering and lightning and extreme weather pass. All things will pass. And listening to the rain, watching the rain bounce off the ground, brings such peace to me. Even if I'm standing in the rain, there's something magical about the rain. So allow yourself, as you listen to the rain, to bring peace to yourself. To allow anything that's preventing you from finding your inner peace, allow it to be washed away. And allow yourself to be the best version that you can be, because you do deserve it without question. And as the light dims, it's early evening here in England. And the weather, as you can hear, is very heavy rain. But it's very beautiful, it's very cleansing. The reservoirs are very low here in the UK. So we do need the rain. As I watch it water the plants outside and the fruits and the vegetables, I pray that the rain and the fresh water from the sky brings peace to all of you. Because I am you and you are me, because we're all joined by the golden thread. So even if you live in the desert, we all need water, we all need rain. So what is it that brings you peace? What is it that you would like more of in your life? Because the more we honor our own life, the more we honor our need for peace as a human being. So the more our vibration, our energy, our aura will rise. And the more energy we have then to share with others. So by taking personal responsibility for ourselves, indeed we can bring world peace. But the world is us and we are the world. So let's honor ourselves, honor our own peace and our own responsibility. I'm going to leave the meditation there for tonight. I'm not going to close it because you may want to sit with your own thoughts on peace, loving kindness, connection. But I sincerely hope that even if you only experience moments of peace, that one day you do experience the peace of I, the peace of the oneness, the peace that actually connects every single one of us. Namaste. Namaste.